guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Angelmay Bisaya-American. So, in today's video, I'm gonna unboxing steamer molds. Kasi plano ko kasi luto ng puto balanghoy. Kaya nag-order ako ng steamer mold para magamit ko ito sa pagluluto ko. So, yun. Order this from Amazon also. I got 12 pieces molder. And this is jumbo silicone baking cups. So you can use this for baking. Whatever you want to do. So it comes with this container. That's good. After you use, you can put it back. So this is jumbo, 3 1/2 inches. So ang dami nilang kulay. Dalawang pula. Dalawang orange, dalawang yellow, dalawang green, dalawang blue, dalawang purple. So, ganda ng kulay, guys. I'm excited to cook my puto balanghoy. This is nice. I ordered this in Amazon. The price should be for 12 pieces jumbo steamer molds, this is worth $19.99, guys. I'm a member of a Prime, so I have free delivery for 1 day. I ordered this the other day and then it arrives today, so that's pretty good. Door-to-door delivery. Magluluto ako ng puto balanghoy. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako magluto ng puto balanghoy in Bisaya version, guys. So tara na sa kusina ko, guys!